With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, two pendulums C and D are suspended from a wire as shown in the figure given below. Pendulum C is made to oscillate by displacing it from its mean position. It is seen that D also starts oscillating. What is the name of the phenomenon when the length of D is made equal to C? So the phenomenon is named as the phenomenon when the length of D is made equal to C is resonance.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.